Hello everybody, welcome back to Bantam Music. So today's topic is going to be the purpose behind the top of the bass drone. Do you ever actually tune the top of the bass drone? I rarely ever do, but we're going to explore this topic in a few different areas. The bass drone has a few different parts. The first part is the bit that goes into the stock that fits into the bag. This is where you would usually hold the pipes like I am holding them. The next part is the tuning pin here where the middle part of the bass is here. This is the part where you would tune the bass whenever you're playing. The next part is the part that we want to focus on, which is the top of the bass drum. What is this really for? Do we ever actually use it for tuning? And the answer is yes, we use it for tuning, but let me dive into this a little bit deeper. If you have this tuned way down, like I'm talking about less than 2 finger lengths, like way down here, it is going to be very sharp and you're going to need to balance this out a bit. So the way to do this is to get it to come down a little bit. So you bring this down and then you can bring this up. So this will balance out the flatness and the sharpness. And the reverse is if you have your tuning bit here where it's too high up, you can bring this part up. So it's used for tuning. And the other part that this serves is if you notice that the bass drone and the tenor drones are not the same length, right? You can tell that the bass is almost twice as long as the tenor. Why is this? Because when you go to tune the bass is going to be 1 octave below the tenors. It's going to be 1 octave flatter. That's because of the length of the bass. The air has that much more length to travel, and so it's technically made flatter. So those are the reasons why we use the top of the bass drone. A lot of people really don't use them, but for knowledge, it's a good thing to know. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I always post videos like this to help you out. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.